Welcome everyone, and thank you so much for joining me today for How's Your Canine's Public Face, Part 1, Exploring the Canine Good Citizen Program. We'll go through, first off, the explanation of the CGC program, what it is, reasons to consider the CGC program and certificates, examples of a test, and then video examples both showing the exercise and training opportunity. In just over a decade, the CGC program has had an extremely positive impact in the community across the country. It's been adopted by many state governments. By participating in the CGC program in your neighborhood and spreading the word to others around you, you can help ensure that the dogs that we love will always be welcomed and well-respected members of our community. So the benefits of these programs are that it promotes responsible pet ownership. It deepens our bond. You'll also know that your dog is equipped to handle themselves in public.